welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be making slime outside. I have purple foam beads in the bottom of here. I have silver glitter. I have this really cute yellow glitter. I have this really cute light pink iridescent glitter. I have this red glitter. And I have pink food dye. Pink food dye. I have a big thing of clear glue. I have some shaving cream, some more black glitter, activator, which is borax, popsicle stick, and a little bit more of this neon pink glitter. And then, of course, I have the foam beads at the bottom. So we're going to be making a pink and a pink clear slime with foam beads. Can you hold the? So yeah, why do you have a toothpick?
Because this is the only thing I found.
So first things first, we're gonna add in our glue. I don't want to put too much glue just because we are gonna put all these other ingredients. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the shaving cream, shake up the shaving cream. Very nice. I love fluffy slime. It's so good. Oh no, there's a wasp. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix.
Can I do something?
Yeah, you're gonna be able to. Besides, you got the wrong popsicle stick. You got a toothpick. Go get a popsicle stick. You know where they are.
I dropped it.
Next, guys, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding the pink food dye. Up there, mowing the lawn. What? What?
I was home and I heard footsteps.
Get out. Get look. Yeah, you can mix the food coloring in. Here, get a little bit more out. Kind of just open it a little bit more. Why would you stick it in there with the... Oh, well.
I'm going to use your popsicle.
No, don't. I don't want this to be a light pink, but I do want... Stop. Let go of it. But I do want it to be like a pink. Just because it will match with the foam beads really well. Let's go in the shade, because you could barely see this on camera.
Can we go in the front yard?
No, we're gonna go up here. Guys, this still doesn't look very pink in real life or in the camera, but it does look pink a little bit, like a very, very, very light pink. Okay. Let's go get our pink food coloring, our stick, more of the pink food coloring. Could you open that, please? It looks orange. What's that? It looks orange on camera.
It doesn't really look like anything in real life.
Yes, it does.
I can't see that.
But it's very pretty so far.
So far.
Oh, look. You can see it.
Do you need more?
No, I'm pretty sure this is bright enough pink. I said no more.
It looks green.
How does it look green? I'm pretty sure it's colorblind. It looks really pretty. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is start to add in our glitters. I'm going to start to add in this yellow.
I can't get this stuff off. Okay, that's so nice.
Ooh, very pretty, very pretty. Kinley, stop. Stop. Then next I'm going to be adding our silver glitter. Don't mind the stuff on the back. Then next I'm going to add in this neon pink glitter. Ooh, that's really pretty. Then next, this pink iridescent glitter. I love that pink. It's so pretty. Then next, I'm not gonna add in the red glitter now that I think about it.
Can I still mix it?
No, not really, because you still didn't get the right popsicle stick. Because you need a big one. And then next, add in this black glitter. Then next, let's start activating the slime. Pop the cap off if we can.
No.
And then we're just gonna add in activator. And we're gonna start mixing. Oh God. Stop. Hold the bucket still.
I mean, I can't mix.
We already have. Okay, now guys, what I'm going to do is start kneading it. No, Kinley, you don't, because you're gonna get it all over your stuff. Because that side's still sticky. about slime is sometimes, even though it might look sticky, still keep mixing it, because then it's gonna start like actually forming into nice slime, just like this one is. It's already getting less sticky.
Feels weird.
That's because it's fluffy.
I need to get all this stuff.
Don't, Kinley.
Okay.
Stop.
Why can't I?
Stop. So guys, look. I told you to stop. But see, it's actually a pretty nice slime. And I do not need any more activator. So yeah. I'm going to be making a part 2 when we are officially done with the slime. So yeah. Bye-bye.